head, and then put it back down on the floor really fast. So we're going to lift it up, and then back down. So ready? 1, 2, 3, lift! Alright, so we're going to do it again. And I'm going to say beep boo, and I'm going to look at someone and wave at them over there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. This time, Bella, do you want to go underneath? Should we go underneath this time? Parents, this time we're going to lift under, or lift it up, and then all the kids can run underneath it if they want. And then they come back with it. We'll go under. Ready? 1, 2, 3, You can put it back down, lift up and see if you can move. There's a nice one. Ready? 1,